Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 11 automatic repair problem. And if you new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Here are some steps to fix the automatic repair loop in Windows 11. First, you need to access the advanced startup options. You can do using forced restart. That means if your computer is not booting up, force restart it few times by holding your power button in your computer. This should trigger Windows to load the advanced startup option automatically. And if it is not working, you can do it manually. Just go to your start menu, tap on it, go to setting, and in the settings menu you need to scroll down in the right side menu, go to recovery. Under the advanced setup, you need to tap on restart. This will be restart and open in the advanced startup option. In the advanced startup options, you need to select troubleshoot. Then after selecting the troubleshoot, you need to click on advanced options. Then after, you need to select startup repair. Then after, Windows will initiate the repair process, scanning your system file and configuration. Follow any on-screen instruction available. You need to follow that instructions. And step number 3 is boot into the safe mode. In that advanced startup option, you need to again select troubleshoot and select the advanced options, and this time you need to select the startup setting, and then after you need to select restart. After your PC restart, press 4 in your keyboard or F4 to boot into safe mode. When you come to the boot mode, you need to follow this method. I am going to minimize this one. Imagine you are in safe mode because this window is similar to that one. You need to open command prompt. Just go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator. Tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Now you need to type sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. After this one completed, again you need to type this command CHKDSK /F/R and hit enter. This will check for and fix the disk errors. So then after, you need to follow the step number 5. Again you need to boot into the safe mode as I previously said. Then after, you need to again open command prompt as administrator. Then you need to type this command, open caps lock DISM / turn off the caps lock, type online or should be capital /cleanup C capital and -image I capital /restore health R and H is capital. Now hit enter. This will repair the Windows image file. Okay. Then after, you need to perform a system restore if other methods are not working. To do that, again you need to go with the troubleshoot step and click on advanced options again, and in this time you need to select system restore. Follow the on-screen instruction to restore your system to previous working state. If you don't have restore previous stable version, you can't follow this method. So please remember that one. And then after, we can go with next method. You can uninstall the recent updates. To do that, again you need to go troubleshoot method and choose the advanced options, and in this time you need to choose uninstall updates. choose to uninstall the most recent quality of feature update in your Windows, and this will be revert your Windows version into previous one and check whether it is working or not. Then after we can follow the next method. If these methods are not working, use the command prompt for advanced fixes. To do that, again you need to go to troubleshoot method and go to advanced options, and in this time you need to select the command prompt. When you open command prompt using, go to start. In my case I am going to choose my command prompt because I am not in the boot mode. Go to start menu and search for command prompt. Right click and run as administrator. You should do this in your boot advanced startup option menu. Then after you need to type these commands: boot rec space /fix mbr and hit enter. This will take some time to fix the mbr. Then after you need to again type boot rec space /fix boot and this hit enter. Then this also takes small time. After complete, again you need to type boot rec space /scan os, hit enter. After the process is completed, you need to type boot rec /rebuild bcd. Now hit enter. This will be reset the several things: mbr, boot, os and bcd. So try again the process is working or not, and if it is not working you have to reset your PC. To do that, I'm going to close this one. Okay, to restart your computer, to reset your computer, you need to follow this method. Again you need to go to advanced startup options as I previously said. Then you need to go to troubleshoot option. Then again you need to go to reset this PC option. Choose to keep your file or remove anything. You can choose your file, so you can completely remove everything and reset your PC as a factory version. And you need to follow the on-screen instruction to reset your PC, and those are not difficult. You just need to select the correct one and it will be automatically reset your computer. And none of that methods are not worked. You have to create a bootable USB drive and you need to reinstall the Windows. To do that, you can find other video I have created earlier, how to create a bootable USB drive. Then you can follow that method. Then after you need to reinstall the Windows like that. So these are the 10 methods you can follow to fix your issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe my channel and liking this video.